Oh guys, welcome back to another video in Minecraft. Okay guys, now this creator, the same person, adventure mode. This guy create the previous find the button map, and now he create another new one. And okay, let's start playing, man. Okay, is there any rules? Is it gonna be the same? Okay, wait, why am I so lag? Play in adventure and peaceful mode, have fun. Alright, wait, why am I lagging so badly? I don't know why, but alright, come, let's just see. Okay, everything set properly. Okay, I don't know how many stages, but by the way, what's the chest? Oh, Hinbo. Oh, there's 10 level. Alright, this time I'm gonna 1% complete all. I hope. Pick. Oh. Pick. Pick. Alright, let's just check up the tree first. Wait, what? Stupid pig, stop clicking. I feel like the water is suspicious. No. No, not at all. Okay, let's just see up the tree. Oh, it's nothing. Wait, up there. But I don't know how, can I just go up there actually? Oh, I can't. Oh, this pig looks suspicious too. Alright, let's just see here. Oh, there's nothing. Oh, can I just go up there? I can't. Alright, so this is weird. Is that a bag there? Oh my god. Okay, where's the button? The first level I already can't find. Okay, that sucks so bad. It's not right here, man. Then where is it? Is it here? Oh, it's not. Okay. Okay. Where is it? Is there any button on top of it here? I can't see. I even cannot dig. Alright guys, I'm really stuck in the first level. Cannot see any buttons around, and so I'm gonna close it so you won't keep clicking it. But where's the button? Where? Wait, the other side. It's always right here. Wow. Okay, rabbit. Oh, just click it. Oh, I'm sorry. Alright, let's see. Here's the rabbit. All these are animals right now. Or animals. Rabbit. Rabbit. Oh no, rabbit. Wait. Huh. Okay, never mind. Here is so flat that I cannot see anything. Is right somewhere in the corner here? Okay. In our stage I also can't find any button. This is a simple map, and I can't find it. Is it somewhere here? Is it somewhere around here? Oh, it's not. Then where is? Is it on top of the cacti? Wait. Okay, now I really can't find a button. Where is the button? Okay, I can't see. Where is? Oh my god, I saw it. It's right here, man. Oh my god. Now this is polar bear. Okay. Is this over here? No. Oh, I have a feeling it's all the dark wood here around. I haven't seen anything yet. The tree? Found it. It's right there. Oh, that was so easy. Oh my god. Hey. Oh, now it's chicken. Get away. Chicken. That was so freaking easy. Oh, wolf. Oh my god, we are going so fast right now. It's still gonna be the same spot. Oh, it is gonna be a little difficult. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I believe I'm gonna stuck here forever. Wait, just guys get aside. I want to see, is there any button? Can we actually go up there? Oh, we can't. I mean, we can. That way we can't go anywhere anymore. Can't go up there. Yeah, we can't. Alright, is there any button right here? Or even... this tree looks suspicious. Check the wolf. Okay, that's really nothing right now. The other sort of button is right here. Yes. Good. Okay, now let's see. What is this? Cows. Very nice cows, huh? Okay, that's nice actually. Okay, it looks cow. Okay, this totally looks like cow. Can your body just get far away? You too. Get away. Get away. Okay, let's see. It's not around here. How about in the water? Oh, it's not in the water? It's not. Okay. How about this? Found it. Right there. Okay, sheep. Oh, sheep. Oh, looks good. Oh, 100% is gonna be pitch. Okay, let's just come. Oh, I mean birch. Okay, let's see. It's nothing and it's freaking noisy. Alright. Oh, damn. Wait, that just was something? Oh, that's nothing. Okay. Oh, here's still got water too. I saw something. Did you saw something? Is there any button around here? Okay, nothing. Okay, let's see. Is there any button around you? Nothing? Okay, no button. Okay, let's see here. There's no button around here too. Very, very... Wow. And I was... Oh, mushroom cow. Okay, you better don't go in. Okay, maybe it's up of the mushroom. Okay, let's see. Everyone is blind. Alright, good. Over here. Wait, I've got to look up here. Is this all? The button? Oh, that's not a button. Oh lol. Right, let's continue. This is horse. But looks don't look like a horse. Oh, here's birch. Okay. Look around the tree. We'll look around the grass. It's possible inside though. Up there? Okay, it's not up there. Is it around here, somewhere here? Found it! Here. Oh, parrot. Okay, good. Why am I squatting down? Oh my god. Oh my god, that's a lot of parrots. Is that a black one inside there? Oh, that's so cool. Okay. Okay. I have a feeling the button is at the tree instead of watermelon. Okay, let's see. It's not around here. Oh wait, I think I can go up, right? Can I just go up from here? Oh yeah. I go connect here. Oh my god, wait. Go up. Stay strong. Shit. Okay. Alright, apparently it's not working well. But the point is... No. Gosh dang it. Can I just walk on the vents? Like, oh my god, okay, fine. It should be at the ground. I believed. Is it around here? Or not? Okay. Found it. Here. Did I just complete all? Wait, what? I just complete all? I mean, how can I read this thing? Okay, why I can't read this thing? Okay, I can't read this thing. Alright, now bye. Apparently I found everything, but wait, what? Where's the chest? Oh, thanks for playing. Oh, wow. Oh, comment suggested. Let me know. Okay, I'll write down the comment. Okay. Oh, wow. That was so fun to play. Alright, guys. Without further more, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you hit that like button if you want to watch more try. Find a buttoned map. If you want him to create more this. Wait, where's his name? Where is his name? Yeah, this. Matt H44. I will try. If any suggestion, write down a comment. I will try to write down in the MCP for him, and whew, it's a ton of fun, man. Alright guys, without further more, subscribe if you want to watch more video, and turn on the little bell to wait, what's the bell for? Oh yeah, to know my new video came out. And remember to hit the like button down below if you want to watch more. Comment down. Yeah, like that's what I just said. And bye guys. Have a great day.